When the Islamic State of Iraq in the Levant was trying to carve out its own caliphate 4 years ago, its members destroyed thousands of Christian and Muslim relics and monuments. ISIL also stole some of Iraq's and Syria's most prized ancient artifacts. But Dominican friar Najeeb Michaeel managed to pack these rare manuscripts and 16th century books and smuggle them out of ISIL battlegrounds. Kurdish Peshmerga fighters helped carry them to the safety of Iraqi Kurdistan.
With the help of small cars, we saved these archives, and especially some manuscripts belonging to the convent and church of the Dominicans and the Mosul archives. Important letters and files that date back 250 to 300 years.
Father Najeeb and other Dominican priests rescued a veritable treasure trove of religious documents and moved them to Erbil's Oriental Manuscript Digitisation Center. The center was established in 1990 by Dominican friars, the same religious order that set up Iraq's first printing house in 1897. The monks brought the equipment to the region through the desert and on the backs of camels. Now the friars are using high-tech equipment to scan manuscripts recovered from churches and villages.
In fact, all the archives are important because they reflect the roots of a civilization, and that is why the Islamic State group is trying to eradicate and destroy the heritage and archaeological sites to erase everything that existed before the introduction of this presumed Islamic State.
Father Najeeb is also training more helpers who will ensure digital copies are preserved for posterity and the originals returned to their owners. Chaderjian, Al Jazeera.